we're here for the Botany 2023 conference here in Boise, and we have been to Boise before. We went to Boise for our conference in 2014 and had a wonderful experience, so we decided we would return for another meeting. And we have 950 attendees here in person for the conference, and we also have 100 virtual attendees, and we have attendees coming from 53 countries and all 50 states. Yeah. One of the things we really appreciate about being at the Boise Centre is that it's the right size for our group. We really enjoy the ability to get out. We just spill out right into the downtown area, and there's lots of places to eat that are in close proximity, little pubs and things to do. The Riverwalk area is right here, and that's great for our group as well. So people enjoy being able to get out of the conference center and take a walk and then come back.
Something that stands out to me is the kindness of all of the employees at both the center and the hotels. We've had a great experience. The cleanliness of the city and the natural beauty is just spectacular. I specialize in site selection and contract negotiations for Botany and other groups, and I will say that working with Boise has been seamless. The negotiations went well, very accommodating. The process was smooth, the site visit was exceptional. We were sold on the city by the time the site visit was over.
One of the things I think we've been really surprised by is the wonderful food we've been served here at Boise Centre. I've been receiving comments from our attendees about how good the food has been, and we're really enjoying that. And also the staff has been exceptional at the center. We're getting some of the best service that we've had at a convention center. I would tell another organization not to hesitate. We received some of the highest marks on our post-conference survey for our first meeting in Boise, which is why we came back. So I would tell other organizations to please come do a site visit, and I think they'll be pleasantly surprised.